All right, I'm Keith with Bullseye Dent, back again to show you we don't just fix big smash dents. Sometimes people bring in cars for lots of little dents. This BMW here has come in to be restored. It's pretty nice, but it's got a handful of dents. And if you just look at it right here, you might not see them. So I'm going to show you this line board, as we call it, and how we use it to find the little dents, and then we're going to show you how we fix them. So let's start over here by the front of the car. We come around this way and look at this fender. You really can't see much, but then when I hold this reflection up to it, we can see there's a nice little round dent right there. And to the keen eyes, there's a little bit something going on right there. There's one on the hood here. Right there. Not much, but a little something. Right there. There's a couple small ones. Let's show you how we set up for each one. Here's the view in our dent repair light. This is what we actually use to fix it. We can see it a lot better there. And you can see that small area that I was talking about shows up a lot better in this light. So this fender has a plastic liner. We just need to move a little bit of it out of the way, just like that, and to be able to get our tool behind the metal. This is Sean, one of our master technicians. He's gonna make this look easy. Sometimes you have to bring the dent just a little higher than you want to be able to get the bottom, and then we push it back down with that tool. And that liner just snaps right back in there. Pretty simple tools. The magic is in the hands. Fixed. Gorgeous. Okay, fender's done. Next dent is on the hood. Let's check that. Here's this dent on the hood, set up with our dent repair lights. Apologies, they're flickering a little bit. It's not a big deal. A little push down body line. So here's the underside of this hood. And we have options of going through that hole, that plastic plug, even that one, or taking this liner down and going in that way. So Sean's got an idea where it's going to work best for him. Let's see how he does it. Right in there. Okay. Always right on it. Some people wonder what this looks like at the bottom. Just every time he pushes, he's moving a millimeter or two over to a new spot. So Sean and I were just talking as he's working through this. It gets a little boring sometimes just staring at sheet metal. So we're talking about some of the best technicians around the world that we follow. And there's a guy named Jay Ma. Where is he, Sean? Out of Taiwan?
Taiwan,
Yeah, he's amazing. Really, really cool. He came out to one of the trade shows that we go to. And interesting with the way he explains it, in Taiwan, they can't take a door panel off of a car because then the car has some different classification, like it's been in a wreck or something. So when we do a large dent on that Tesla door over there, we like to take them off because it gives us great access, and they go back on. They're just nuts and bolts and put them back on. But he has to work through this extra constraint of leaving the panels on the car. So it's even more impressive, some of the repairs he's done. But that's what we do in our spare time, is we network with other dent repair guys around the world and learn everybody's skills and techniques and try to build a hybrid approach in our shop where we can do the absolute, like, literal world-class repairs, because we're comparing ourselves to the best guys around the world. It makes it really fun. And there's that one, right back to where it should be. Beautiful. Sean, crushing it.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Next one is right here on this door. This one has a little tiny chip too. Just a tiny chip, and that's okay. We'll still make the metal flat. So, all right, so right here we've got this tool. It's called a jammer. It keeps this door open but really stable. And then there'll be a few minutes of fishing around to see, can we touch it without disturbing anything in there. Sometimes when you get old, you can just sit around while the young guys do all the work. Sean's putting some heat on it. That keeps the paint just nice and pliable. And he's found access through that hole. We'll zoom in on that dent. Okay, we wrapped up this thing. Everything turned out really, really good. We had the fender, the hood, and the driver's door. Let's check that one last time. Fender. Hood. Driver's door. Right here. So if you've got a giant dent, we want to fix it. But if you've got a lot of little dents in a really nice car, we want to fix those too. So come see us. We're in Roseville. Look up bullseyedent.com or just come drive over to us. 1101 Plummer Way in Roseville. Hope to see you.